that they're getting their confidence from you.
The source of confidence they
Ah. What is your message though to everyone who trusted you throughout your journey?
Thank you guys for trusting me, even though I'm so loud, and for loving me. I would say thank you for supporting me, especially my family, relatives, friends, and other people in my country. And I would like to thank you for supporting me and be kind to others, respectful. Thank you.
And thankful for the people who have supported me. Even in my worst case trip, I really doubt myself a lot due to a lot of negativity from the past. But looks like I turned those turns out I've turned those negativity into positivity, which made me a lot stronger and more confident on stage. And for the people who looked down on me, thank you so much for your comments, because look, I'm here right now, sitting in front of you here with the medias, looking brighter and always strong.